Busy, Busy Bee by D.K. Readers. Busy Bee has work to do. She crawls out of her hive. She spreads her wings. Busy Bee is looking for a flower. Busy Bee flies over a stream. She flies past an oak tree and into a field. The field is full of wildflowers. Busy Bee lands on a flower. Each flower holds sweet drops of nectar. Bees make nectar into honey. Nectar and honey are food for bees. Busy Bee laps under the nectar with her long, narrow tongue to take back to the hive. Each flower holds grains of pollen. Flower pollen is food for bees too. The pollen sticks to Busy Bee's furry body. She brings it to the hive on her two back legs. Busy Bee is a worker bee. Inside the hive, there are thousands like her. All worker bees are females. Busy Bee dances a dance. She waggles her bottom. She crawls in circles. Her dance shows the other workers the way to find the flower nectar. Inside the hive, the bees make cells. Some are for the honey the bees make from nectar. Some are for the pollen the bees have collected. Some are for the eggs that the queen bee lays. Busy Bee has work to do. First, she feeds the drone bees. All drone bees are male. The drones mate with the queen bee. Then Busy Bee feeds the queen bee. The queen bee lays 1,000 eggs every day. Inside their cells, the eggs hatch into bee grubs. Busy Bee and thousands like her take some pollen mixed with honey. They feed it to the hungry grubs. Busy Bee has work to do. She feeds the bee grubs every day. When the grubs are 9 days old, she seals their cells with waxy covers. Inside their cells, the bee grubs change. They grow legs and wings. They grow long, narrow tongues. In 12 days, they change from grubs to bees. They crawl out and wait for their new wings to dry. Busy Bee and thousands like her touch the young bees with their feelers. They make them welcome in the hive. They feed them honey from the cells. Busy Bee has work to do. The young bees are hungry. Where can she find more flower nectar? Where can she find more flower pollen? Look! Another bee is dancing. She's found a garden full of flowers. She waggles her bottom. She crawls in circles. Her dance shows Busy Bee how to find the garden. Busy Bee and thousands like her fly from the hive. They find the garden full of flowers. They drink the nectar. They take the pollen. Busy Bee has work to do. The end.